Bitcoin pension solution USA disruption 333. Thank you very much indeed, USA, for allowing citizens to freely choose to invest in Bitcoin. Imagine that today we don't know how much money they're printing. Yeah, central banks, that's their job until they're wiped out with Alexa. Then, until then, we have to live with them, seeing how the inheritance that we're leaving for the next generations are really wiped out with them. But if citizens are not stupid and have basic human rights, should be able to choose the pension where it goes. Well, that's if you're going to retire. Cost. Average pension in Spain is 1,500 euros. Coffee, half a kilo in Mercadona was 3 euros. Now it's 6. So that's in 2 years. Inflation is 50%. Therefore, 2 years per year is 25. I made a video about that. Therefore, should I wait, invest either in a stock exchange or in any other means that are fiat currency, or should I? Because I don't know how much they're printing. European Central Bank or the Fed, how much they're printing today. I just don't know. But I know that if you, me, we have the right, the basic human right to save our own pension and choose where we want to invest. Therefore, we are thinking in the store of value. We want to store our pension, and it's a human right. Free America citizens so that they have a free decision. And I think this decision should be today made for the rest of the governments, unless they want to steal our kids, whatever we leave for them, like they have done with their own kids, you see. But anyway, then it is a huge news today that America, you can invest in Bitcoin. Perhaps it will grow 100% value per year. I don't know. I just don't know. But perhaps I have the right to decide the store of value of your pension, my pension. You have the right to decide. I have the right to decide. And today there are thieves stealing it. So then, thank you very much indeed, the USA. I hope that the rest of the world does the same thing, because perhaps then it will not grow 100% per year. Your pension, perhaps it will grow 200. Thank you, bye.